Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Leadership Styles, Best Practices, and Success Tactics. This is your weekly guide to mastering the art of leadership. In this series, we'll explore different leadership styles each week. We take a deep dive into the essence of the leadership style. We also talk about when and how to effectively employ it, the challenges it addresses, and strategies for a successful implementation. I'm Dee Hoke, managing partner and co-founder of Ignite Purpose USA. And I'm joined with my co-host, Ed.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ed Jarecki, president and owner of Jarecki Business Coaching and Concepts and a Focal Point Business and Executive Coach. Together, we're going to navigate the diverse landscape of leadership, providing you more insights, more tools to enhance your leadership toolkit. Whether you're looking to refine your approach, solve specific problems, or inspire your team to new heights, we're here to guide you through the nuances of leading with impact. Join us on this journey to unlock the full potential of your leadership style.
In today's episode, we'll focus on affiliative leadership. This is a style that's not just about leading, it's about creating a thriving business by nurturing strong relationships and emotional connections with your team.
For business owners, this means building a workplace where trust, collaboration, and emotional intelligence lead to increased employee morale, innovation, and ultimately your business success.
It's about leveraging the human side of business to foster a culture that not only supports growth, but also sustains it through strong team bonds and high employee engagement. Affiliative leadership is all about people. It's a leadership approach that emphasizes collaboration, a sense of belonging, and creating a harmonious work environment. Leaders who adopt this style are focused on making employees feel valued and appreciated.
Very much agreed, Dee. Affiliative leadership is a leadership style that focuses on emotional support, team cohesion, and a positive work environment. The approach ensures that everyone feels like they're an integral part of the team, which in turn can offer quantifiable value for your business employing this approach. So how do you identify an affiliative leader, Dee?
First, affiliative leaders are known for their strong focus on people, excellent communication skills, and their ability to create harmony. They're empathetic, flexible, and supportive. They're always looking to resolve conflicts in a way that maintains positive relationships.
So they really are the glue that holds the team together, and their understanding of others' needs combined with their ability to achieve goals effectively and efficiently through team harmony is what sets them apart. You agree?
I do agree. And the impact on the organization is so profound. We're talking about improved morale, better communication, increased teamwork, increased productivity, and a strong sense of community. This starts with creating an environment of trust and collaboration between leaders and employees, which is crucial for retaining talent and ensuring team stability.
That makes sense. And by promoting trust and collaboration, the leadership style results in more cohesive teams, better equipped to achieve organizational goals. And finally, this leadership style produces happier workers. It mitigates workplace stress, leads to lower burnout rates, and supports higher job satisfaction. This not only improves the well-being of employees, but also reduces turnover costs for the company.
Absolutely, Ed. Employee happiness boosts engagement, leading to higher productivity, innovation, and reduced turnover. It benefits the company's performance and reputation. In short, happy employees are the cornerstone of any successful and resilient organization.
Relative to conflict resolution, no team is without it. And when it comes to resolving conflicts, affiliative leaders shine. They address the emotional aspects of the team members by promoting empathy and helping team members find common ground. It's about mediating and guiding the team to a resolution that everyone can get behind. Extending this approach to problem solving, these leaders encourage creativity and innovation. They want their teams to collaborate and use their collective imagination to find solutions.
Yes, and it's not just about finding any solution, it's about finding the best solution as a team. Affiliative leadership is inclusive, supportive, and resilient. It's a culture that thrives on positive feedback and recognition. So, Ed, do you have any examples of this type of leadership style?
Again, I've got a really good one for this one. From an experience perspective, one stands out beyond all others. While I was working as a trainer and consultant years ago, I had the honor and pleasure of being part of one of the most incredible teams in which I ever worked. We were actually considered a self-managed team, a level 4 self-managed team. We were guided and supported by an incredible leader, and our job was to change the organizational culture, as well as many of the practices and processes that were used in problem solving, process improvements, being collaborative as a team, and much, much more. Under the guidance and leadership of our senior leader, we spent over 4 years developing, delivering, guiding, and consulting teams to include every employee in the organization. We helped our teams deliver incredible changes and improvements across every function of the business, from client services through technology and every function in between. It was a fun, supportive, and incredibly productive team supporting and driving and improving achievement of the organization's most important projects, its mission, its goals, and we did this every day. I believe with all sincerity, this team would not have enabled a fraction of the organizational change and success without our incredible leader. It's been many years, but I would also be remiss without a proper shout out to Pam. Pam Marshall, I hope you're well, and thank you so much for your leadership, guidance, and support through all of those years. Through all of my journey, I've held and worked to embrace the many lessons that you provided, and I'm incredibly grateful for you, as well as my colleagues on that team, for the opportunity and experience. Thank you.
Wow, what a testimonial that is. That's a great example, Ed. Thank you, Pam, for being an impactful leader.
Dee, what are the best environments for affiliative leadership to prosper?
This leadership style is perfect for environments that need strong teamwork, a focus on employee well-being, and adaptability. It's especially effective in creative industries where collaboration is key. So startups and small businesses where adapting is essential. So we are currently a startup here in the US. So this leadership style is essential for me as a leader. So I have to ensure that myself and my team are in a continuous state of learning and that we practice empathy and compassion for one another. In this type of environment, communication is free flowing and we all strive to lift each other up and to show up with the best versions of ourselves.
Dee, you've made some excellent points. Affiliative leadership is especially beneficial in the sectors like marketing, design, and media, where it creates a nurturing and adaptable atmosphere. This approach encourages creative minds to confidently present their ideas and take bold steps, often resulting in innovative and groundbreaking projects. This leadership style is also valuable in healthcare, nonprofits, educational institutions, and the hospitality industry, where fostering a supportive environment can significantly enhance performance and job satisfaction.
Right. And in high pressure settings such as finance, law firms, and organizations undergoing those significant changes, affiliative leadership plays a crucial role in migrating the stress that comes with that and preventing burnout. By maintaining a focus on collective well-being, it helps the team stay productive and aligned with their goals.
So let's talk a moment about communication strategy. Although much has been noted through our discussion so far, communication is always an area of importance, always. Affiliative leaders are all about constructive feedback, open dialogue, and active listening. They make sure everyone's voice is heard and valued.
Agreed. The emphasis on open and empathetic communication, individual value, and conflict resolution can create a positive and supportive work environment that fosters strong team bonds and high employee engagement.
What about implementing affiliative leadership?
And to implement this style effectively, leaders should focus on building relationships, creating a feedback culture, and being proactive about conflict resolution. It's also important to keep an eye on external factors that can impact team dynamic.
And going a bit deeper, there are many tactics that can be employed to establish and foster affiliative leadership. A few tips include helping employees develop feasible career plans while ensuring individual growth contributes to company success and fostering loyalty. Also, regularly leverage use of team building activities to strengthen relationships among team members and promote a sense of unity and collaboration.
In addition, it works to ensure conflict resolution considers all perspectives, noting affiliative leaders ensure a harmonious work environment by addressing and mediating disputes effectively, training leaders to understand and manage emotional dynamics within the team, along with creating a positive and encouraging work atmosphere. This is another important consideration as you work to implement the style of leadership within your organization.
Finally, ensure your leadership includes active listening and has the ability to provide nurturing feedback, helping team members feel valued and supported.
The benefits of using affiliative leadership are 100% clear. Higher morale, efficient conflict resolution, lower stress, and stronger teams. It's a leadership style that not only looks after the well-being of employees, but also drives success and high performance.
Agreed. From increasing employee trust to incredible collaboration to reduce stress and burnout, these cohesive teams are well equipped to achieve organizational goals. So, with all the benefits, why aren't more organizations employing affiliative leadership more strategically?
It is important to balance this approach to avoid overlooking performance issues or losing clear direction. When used wisely, it strengthens the team and supports goal achievement without compromising productivity and efficiencies. The reason why more organizations don't do it is because they might not know how to implement it.
That makes sense. That wraps up today's episode of Leadership Styles. We hope you've gained some valuable insights into enhancing your leadership approach and unlocking your team's potential. I'm Ed Jarecki.
And I'm Dee Hoke. Thanks for tuning in. The essence of great leadership lies in your actions and your attitude. Until next time, keep leading with purpose and passion.